Happy Thanksgiving. It is like 12 o'clock or like 11 or 10, I don't really know, 9, I don't know, on Thanksgiving, and I have a video for you because I'm not doing shit today. Okay, so I decided to make a video. I've been like thinking, what the fuck do I make a video about? And one thing that you guys have asked me a lot about and that I haven't even really talked about at all is my hair. Sorry, I just hit like 2 or 3 bowls and they were like, got me fucked up, if you know what I mean. Anyways, back to the concept that I came up with. So hello, it's sober me because high me was just bouncing off the walls right here. But basically in this video, I'm just going to show you how using the right products and different techniques can take your hair from this frizzy, undefined curls to more bouncy, healthy, defined curls. So that's what this video is going to be. I'm going to show you how you can take hair like this and get it nice and soft and just like bouncy. Okay, let's go. Like I said, this is what my hair looks like. I just took a shower. It just air dried. I didn't put anything in it. I didn't. I'm so out of breath. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet my hair real quick, but this is the shampoo or the conditioner I use. I don't use shampoo. I just don't use it. Like, I just don't use it. I only use it if there's just like gel in my hair or something like that, but I never ever use shampoo, and I just use this and wash it out of my hair. It's from Walmart. So I'm gonna wet my hair in the sink. If you're currently wondering, like, bitch, why are you wetting your hair again after you just said you took a shower? That's because I let it air dry and didn't brush it, didn't put anything in it, left it up in a towel, and that's what it looked like. So I'm going to show you guys how you can fix that and make your hair look better. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, no? Okay. I just wet my hair with like cold, well at first like warm water, rinsed it, added some conditioner, rinsed it out with cold water, and then took a little bit and just left it on my hair and didn't rinse it out. So personally, if I keep my hair in a towel for a long time, it will get really frizzy. So don't use towels and like just leave your hair up. It's just gonna be a mess. I'm gonna take this brush and brush my hair. You don't have to brush your hair. Then I separate it. And this is the most important part. I scrunch it with water. So I just scrunched my hair with water, and you want your hair to make this sound. Listen. Do you hear that? If it doesn't make that sound, then your hair's too dry and it doesn't have enough moisture, and it's probably not gonna turn out as nice. So all I put in was water. But that's just right now. So I'm gonna scrunch my hair a whole bunch and then I'll be right back. Okay, so once you look like a wet rat, ew. Okay, then pretend we're okay. I'm going to take this microfiber towel and just scrunch my hair with it. I got this at the Dollar Tree, so don't be like, oh, I don't have a microfiber towel, it's too expensive. This was $1. Oh, another thing is, this is good for your hair because it won't make your hair frizzy. It's like a different material than a towel is. So just little tips. Okay, what that's gonna do is just suck up all the water. I know my hair looks crazy. It's not gonna look good until it's dry, but just then I take these two things. So I'm gonna take some Garnier curl cream. I got this at Walmart. Also, yeah, I know I've been MIA on posting. I'm going through like a whole lot, so just let's not get into it. Okay, I'm gonna scrunch this. This gives my hair like holds it, but doesn't make it crunchy or hard or anything like that. Once you scrunch it out, that's very important too, but we'll get into that. Also, I know my hair is cut in like a mullet. That's not purposefully done. That is because I shaved my head and this is how it's grown in. So yeah, I have like a mullet. Oh well. Okay, then I'm gonna take this coconut milk oil anti-breakage serum stuff. This is from Walmart too. All these things are from Walmart in the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna scrunch that. Then what I'm going to do is this.
Hi, it's me. I just want to let you know that if you can't tell already, scrunching your hair is just the #1 key in this routine to make your hair nice and curly. So scrunch the shit out of it.
Wow. So I just recorded this whole thing and I wasn't even recording. So basically I'm out of the bathroom. There's Morty. Here's my tea. I put my hair on top of my head. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I just leaned over, scrunched it, put the towel here, plopped all my hair up here, and then loosely just put it right here. So all my hair is kind of like right here. But what that's gonna do is give my hair volume because it's gonna dry up in that position, and it's just gonna make it less damp because then I'm gonna diffuse it. But don't worry, we're gonna use cold settings. And I thought I would just like talk to you guys for a minute or two and just kind of fill you in on what's been happening. So recently got a new job. Privated my Instagram because of that. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I haven't been on Instagram in a long time because I think it's just fucking with my brain in such a stupid way that doesn't need to. So I said peace out to that for a little bit. But I wanted to come on here because I feel like I can just express myself more in a video and stuff, and a lot of you guys have been asking about my hair care. Also, the purpose really of this video was kind of to be like, if you didn't know how to, maybe what kind of products to use for your hair or how to get your hair curlier or tips like that, I guess. The type of stuff that I do will enhance your curly hair if you already have it. If you don't, then sorry, but whenever I sit like that, my back cracks and it's just like so nice. Okay, my cat's going crazy. A few tips if you want to get healthier hair, or if you want your hair to be curlier, or you know your hair is curly but it's just damaged, stop using heat. Just stop. I promise you that is your problem, because I will show you pictures of what my hair used to look like when it naturally dried right here.
Flashback. This is what my hair used to look like when it air dried. As you can see, it's really heat damaged. It's really frizzy. The ends are just straight. It's not even curly at all. So that was my hair before versus now after I shaved my head and don't use heat at all.
And then after I shaved my head and I haven't used a straightener once or anything like that, any type of heat like that, this is my hair. So you can do it. Also, coconut oil really helps. Whenever I use like a coconut oil hair mask, the next day my hair is really curly and really healthy. Also, people get mad about like curly hair, so if you don't consider my hair curly, sorry, wavy, curly, I don't really know. It doesn't matter to me, just tell me what it is. I'm gonna tell you my hair type. Well, like what type of hair I have. I have dry hair, but it responds like good to products and things like that, but my hair does take like a longer time to dry. But my hair needs moisture. Like without moisture, my hair just gets frizzy and it looks nothing like it's gonna look now. We're gonna get the diffuser. Okay, so I'm back in the bathroom with this thing. This is called a this is called a diffuser if you don't know. It looks like this. You just put it on your blow dryer. This is an old ass normal cheap blow dryer, and I got this for $10 at Sally's. It just comes like this and you stick it on your blow dryer. So I'm gonna take this off even though it's only been like 5 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, I just look like a wet dog. But my hair still isn't dry, but it's just a little bit more wet than damp. So I'm gonna diffuse it, but on cold, just for a little bit, upside down, do my whole head, and then let it air dry for the rest. I always hate how my hair looks like this, but that's just because it's still not dry. It takes a long time to dry, and when it dries, I fluff it up and just make it look a lot better than this. But after this, what I'm gonna do next is scrunch it upside down again. So then I'm just gonna let the rest air dry, and then I will come back and show you how I style it. As you can see, this is a lot of work, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So can you blame me? Oh, that's pretty cool. But let's even sing. Oh wait, I should probably not sing. Yo, real quick in the car, this is what my hair looks like when it's dry. And then I just like do this, separate my hair. And then just shake your hair. And then I just just like scrunch it and make sure to get all the crunchy shit out of it. And then fix it, because what the fuck is that? Okay, so I don't know if you guys seen that, what just happened, but I basically just scrunched my hair, shook it, like just scrunch all the gel out of your hair. Like my hair doesn't look crunchy anymore. Yeah, my hair is like a bunch of different colors, but this is how my hair looks now after that hair routine versus how it looked before with just water and conditioner. So as you can see, your products and like what you do and shit makes a difference. I look like a mushroom, but this is the final hair tutorial. This is what the back looks like. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.